Level 2, to ask for food. You're hungry and the buddy is in the kitchen. Go to the kitchen and request food from her. That's easy enough. No limits, no rules, just play. Find unlimited fun and unrestricted adventure. So we got a dog, a mouse, a lizard, and a rooster. I kind of feel bad for doing this, but I'm gonna do what the task says. Sorry, rooster. I actually want to find the lizard. You would think I would be more interested at chasing the mouse, right? But I'm more interested at finding the lizard. And it's just, I mean, don't get me wrong, I know it's a game and it's not real, but it's kind of weird that there's like different types of species. Like a mouse and a dog is like kind of like noticeable to see every time like you're walking around the city or the neighborhood. But a lizard and a rooster, I mean, unless you live in Florida, maybe you will see a lizard. But I don't know about a rooster. I don't think you're not gonna ever see a rooster in the city, unless you live closer to a farm or something. I found a dog. Ooh, I kind of don't want to do this. I don't know. Uh, I'm not. Don't worry. I'm not gonna fight you. I'm just gonna move on with my life and act like the situation wasn't even there. All right. I want to find the lizard. Where are we gonna find a lizard? Or I don't know. Maybe we have a pet store nearby. I guess. I mean, that would kind of make sense, but Found the mouse. Come here, mousy. Come here. You get over here. Alright. And they turn into money. By the way, guys, don't you think that looks more like a rat than a mouse? Just, point it out there. There it is. We found the Geico dude. Alright. I'm sorry, but you gotta go. You just gotta go. Alright. Level 3, break the computer. That sounds like a bad idea. Buddy is ignoring you while working. Let her know that you are here. And there she is. I'm not gonna lie, she's got a nice house. It's like a mansion at this point. Who knows? She's probably rich. Alright, she's on her computer. And we're supposed to break it. Alright, mission accomplished, I guess. Level 4, to break thing on the table. On the dining table, the buddy is waiting for her guests. Make a mess of the table. Alright, there's the guests. And they're talking. They're just chatting. I don't know what they're chatting about, but they're chatting about something. Alright, let's see their reaction. Ah! Ha 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 ha. She was so upset, and the gentleman was just laughing. Level 5, ruin the table setting. Again, you must disrupt the buddy while she is cleaning and arranging the table. Oh, this is why it's always important to charge your phone. For only necessary reasons. Level 6, steal food from the table. The buddy is having super with boy buddy at the table. Steal and consume the food. Oh boy. I kind of don't like where this is going. Alright, so they're just having, a conversation in the table. Even though that's her guest, I'm assuming they're like dating. I mean, it seems like they're enjoying the moment, right? Level 7, find love. In the garden, a cat is sitting. You must impress her in order for her to adore you. Okay. There she is, right behind the tree. She is waiting for me. Oh my goodness, she is so beautiful with that crown. It's like a princess. I was gonna say queen, but she's like a princess. Hello, my love. There you are. You came to the right place. Welcome to the club. Unlike the other cat games I played in the past, this one is like a real journey. I mean, I'm pretty sure all other cat similar games are like that, but this one is like a real journey. It's so explorable and awesome.